How to connect the Tozo T6 wireless earbuds with a Xiaomi phone running Android 11 or Android 12. This here is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Let's get started. So be sure that your earbuds have some battery life before starting. And usually as you take them out of the charging case, they will flash in blue lights on both of them a few times and then enter into pairing mode. However, if it doesn't happen, just like what you're seeing right now, they're not flashing blue and red on both of them, then here's what you're going to do. You're going to take them both together at the same time. Go ahead and long press it and turn them off. So if only one is on, just turn off that one earbud, or if both are on, turn them off. And while they are both in the off state, you will go back and long press it until you see the first blue light. As you see the first blue light, go ahead and release it. So long press, and the blue light, release it. Then just wait a few seconds, they'll flash in blue a few more times, and then they will both start to flash in blue and red alternatively. Just wait for it, give it a few seconds, like this right here. When they both start doing this, that means they are both in pairing mode and ready to connect to your Xiaomi phone. While in the pairing mode state on your Xiaomi phone, you can use the quick panel axis, pull it down once or twice if needed to find the Bluetooth toggle. When you see it, long press it. That'll take you into the main Bluetooth settings. Go ahead and turn on the switch from here. This way you can see what it is searching for. You should see the Tozo T6 earbuds appear. Tap on it one time. It'll run the pairing process for you. You'll get this pairing request. Of course, you'll have to select pair, and it'll show you that it's connected and ready to use. You can tap on the little arrow found on the right side right there. That'll give you some more options to rename it, unpair it, and use it for either calls or media, or both of them. Those two options right there, as well as contact sharing if needed. And that's that for this tutorial. So they're good to go. And one more thing, just to be sure that they are fully connected. If you don't see any blue lights flashing, that means you're 100% connected. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.